Just in 3 months, he became a champion.
So people listening, trainer is something where you can become an accomplished trainer.
Because inside your brain, there are connections and they need time to develop.
Hi Nicholas, good morning.
Hello Deepak.
So we are at the 34th World Memory Championship at Vietnam. How is the feeling?
Great event.
It's
a great event, great energy, fantastic people.
Yes.
Everything is running smoothly, great organization. So I'm really pleased to be here.
Thank you so much. And we finished 2 championships in mind mapping. How did it go?
Very smoothly. Everything is perfect, and I love working with Vietnamese arbiters and also with other arbiters international, like the whole India team. There are people, arbiters from France, from Morocco, from Romania, from Poland. I'm from Poland, and from Turkey. So international meeting.
Yeah, one thing to the viewers I have to tell you, Nicholas has done a great job in doing the mind mapping championship. Hoping so we have one more event. That is a freestyle, and tomorrow we have the speed reading championship. I hope Nicholas will rock.
Yes. We are still, as arbiters, a lot of work, and we need to create the ranking, etc. So we are going to finish pretty late this evening.
And what do you think about the memory championship, where the software is given for the first time and they are meticulously done?
Well, I just spoke with the chief arbiter. He told me that everything is running good, smoothly. They had some issues, technical issues yesterday, but today everything is fine. So I'm happy for them.
And now, Nicholas, as we spoke about the speed reading and mind mapping championship, as you know, you all are going to come to India. Nicholas is coming, Jerome is coming, Mammoth is coming, and we are going to start the Train the Trainer program. Anyone who wants to become a trainer, train about speed reading, mind mapping, and you are a great support, and we Fantastic Four are going to do greater things in India. What do you have to say about that?
Well, about speed reading, if I can to say, it's you need to take it as a brain training. It's not magic. It's not like that. It's really training, so you need to act every day.
Yes.
Not a long time. 15 to 20 minutes per day are totally enough, but you need to be aware that you need like 2, 3 or sometimes 6 months to see the real results, because inside your brain there are connections and they need time to develop, and what we cannot measure is how much time individually you will need. But we did some research already, and there are scientific papers for our protocol of training, and it's really efficient and works very well. So speed reading training with speed reading techniques helps your brain to focus better, mindfulness, concentration, the flow, and also less anxiety, and your better mental health.
Beautiful. So for the trainers who are watching, can you tell the Indian trainers who want to become a trainer?
Yes.
Is 3 months more than enough for them to get trained and become an accomplished speed reading and mind mapping trainer?
Is 3 months enough?
3 months?
If 3 months is enough for getting started, what you need to be aware that you need to act behind. You need to train people, and but first of all, you need to you own yourself, improve your own skills. So it's enough if you are, even if you are a beginner, you need to start somewhere. But because we have this Neo Boost app, which is like a personal trainer for students, you as trainer, you are able to use this app with students, and it's very helpful because it helps you to work with people, and they have the everyday training based on the starting point, which is different for everyone. And this is the main point. It's not everything the same for everyone. It's a really different, because you are starting from different points. Some people are starting at 100 words per minute, some 200, 300, and in the app, as trainer, you know how to deal with it.
Perfect. So people listening, train the trainer is something where you can become an accomplished trainer, not just by learning things, by implementing through the NeoBoost app. It was the official Tony Buzan app. So by using that, you can become an accomplished speed reading trainer. And 3 tips for all our participants who are listening through this podcast. How can they start immediately? If at all they want to start today, what are the 3 tips you want to give them? How should they speed read? So that at least they get a confidence saying that, okay, I can become a speed reader.
Well, it depends. It's not the same for everyone, but it touches your brain. So first of all, if you are, for example, very distracted, someone who is very distracted or easily to distract, it's about focus and concentration. So for example, we are using also what I can recommend. It's meditation, breathing with the tempo, like meditation. This is very important. First of all, when you read, you need to focus. So meditation. The second thing, for reading better, and sometimes I think everyone, if you are reading something, you are starting thinking about, you have some thoughts, and you are, yes, and you are losing what you are reading because you are starting thinking.
Yes.
And if you use the
visual
guide, you can act better. You can give the tempo of reading, and you can realize that if you start thinking about something, you can stop reading. Oh, and now you can be more aware. It's about awareness. So you use visual guide and use breaks. So speed reading, for example, is I recommend Pomodoro technique.
Okay.
Pomodoro technique is very simple, especially in reading. Speed reading also. You read for 15 minutes, no distraction, everything is cut. You are only focused on reading, and you put the timer for 15 minutes, and nobody can disturb you. For 15 minutes, you can read several pages. In speed reading, you can read even 20 or 15, 30 pages. It depends on how big is the size of letters, pages, etc. And after 15 minutes, just stop and take notes.
Oh, okay.
So we are coming to the focus, breathing, focus here, and no distraction. Start with this, and already you will see the improvements. But if you really want to be a great reader and also train how to train others, the global program with everyday training, with other exercises like NASA games, etc. We are using also exercises from NASA for pilot of NASA, because at this time you can improve your. If you are 200 words per minute reader, you can go up to even 1,000 words per minute with the very good comprehension. Never 100%, but it's never 100%. But you can go at very good level, and you see the difference, and you see that your brain is working much better. But it's not magic; it's training.
Beautiful.
Effort.
So people, you got 3 tips. 1, do meditation, have a visual guide, and focus and concentrate while you are reading, and definitely you can see the magic happening. And Nicholas is the vice president of the Tony Buzan Academy. He has very closely worked with Tony Buzan. And Tony Buzan is a lover of mind maps. So we read. But how do we exactly take notes? So many people in India, worldwide, they are worried. How do we take notes? How do we write? So, Nicholas, what do you have to say? Why mind maps?
Well, as Tony said, it's mind map is representing connecting ideas. Like in your brain, you have connections with neurons, synapses, and they are connected. So everything is connected. Idea connected to each other. That's why we are also using different abilities that we have as humans. So sometimes you need colors, and we have different colors even here. Yes. Some people have different color here, I'm level 4 red, you are another level, you are arbiters, etc., etc. We love colors as humans, okay? And colors, when you're representing the ideas in different colors and only keywords, because keywords are are sufficient enough to represent your ideas, and you can globally see the idea. So visual thinking. If you say Leonardo da Vinci was also using visual thinking.
Correct.
There are sketch note also, but in sketch note you have a lot of writing. In mind mapping is very good when you are thinking about a project. If you want to plan your week, your day, plan a project. If you want to take notes from one book, one study, one global lecture, etc. Mind mapping is very, very good at this because you are synthesizing the idea and you can globally see the idea on the one page. It's a one pager. One pager, not taking, and it's enough for you because if you have the global idea about the topic, it's just enough to, okay, yeah, let's talk about this. Oh, now let's talk about this. Oh, let's talk about this. Yes, this keyword giving me, and I know to tell behind. So, for example, if you are a public speaker or you want to present an idea to someone, just take a mind map, do the mind map, and you have the mind map during the meeting, and you know all the ideas you want to explore.
Beautiful.
So that's why keep it simple. Keep it simple, and this is simple, and this is how the brain works. And that's why it's so good, so efficient.
So people have 4 takeaways today. So one is you speed read. Is it for both professionals as well as students?
Of course. I did a training for corporate, financial corporate, for doctors, and also for teachers, for everyone who is using his brain in an intellectual way, and everyone who wants to think, because it's a tool for thinkers.
Beautiful. So people who have 4 takeaways, start from today. One is you speed read and do mind mapping. In speed read, follow 3 techniques. One is you do meditate, follow the visual guide, follow the Pomodoro technique, use a lot of colors and use mind map for note taking, and you are done. And after doing this, do you think they can memorize whatever they have done?
Memorizing is another step. So speed reading, it's capturing information. Focus, concentration, etc. Mind mapping is using your intellect, your brain, to make these ideas in the visual way and to make them in the different areas, etc. Memorizing is your specialty also. There are techniques, and you can use the techniques to memorize the mind map, the global idea, and everything is connected and makes sense. Step 1, speed reading, brain training. Step 2, mind mapping ideas. Step 3, memorizing if you need it to memorize.
Beautiful.
And of course, I encourage everyone to train your brain with memory techniques.
The people heard it right. Nicholas is a speed reading person. I'm a memory person. And it's a wonderful combination. Only if you have the combination of both, you can see the transformation happening. Now at last, Nicholas, we are going to have the train-the-trainer program in India. We'll be reaching out millions of students. So what do you have to tell them finally? What is that they can expect from V4, Fantastic Four? What are you going to expect? What are they going to expect?
From me, you can expect that I'm going to push you to do your job and to grow. So it's not consuming information, it's doing things. And with me, I'm like a trainer. Just come on, motivation, a lot of motivation, pushing you, effort, because in this way of efforts, you can see the differences, okay?
True.
And through with me, of course, speed reading, my specialization, we did some research also, and makes sense with Jerome, who is world 2018 champion in mind mapping. And I was his teacher for mind mapping.
Oh.
So Jerome, just in 3 months, he became a champion. So soft skills, public speaker, and this pushing skills to the limits. So Jerome is very good at this, and Mehmet also, it's a fantastic guy with speed reading and global learning techniques, and also with his energy and smile and motivation all the time, and pushing you to push your brain and to progress with your students.
Yeah, one last question, Nicholas. You have closely worked with Tony Buzan, Marek, and Raymond Keane. You've seen a lot of legends, and Dominic O'Brien is here today. What is your biggest takeaway from them?
Never stop with growing your ideas, and there is always a possibility to grow and to learn something. Always, all the time, learning all the time, and there are no mistakes. They are the learning time, and this is the mindset of winners. And it's also about mindset, teaching others, of course.
So people, that's Nicholas for you, and you can see that we both are planning a lot of things in India. So let's do a great job. So stay tuned, and through our Brain Athletes app, Nicholas, I want you to post one video every day.
Okay.
Or 2 or 3 videos per week on speed reading and mind mapping. Give them a lot of tips so that they stay connected with us.
Okay.
And we give them a lot of knowledge on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like this challenge.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you.
Thank you.